Gents on the mic, year 2.
Drop!
First stop right here is the main man, KJ, all day.
Okay, it's my turn, now listen to me. Sit down and chill, then maybe you'll see. Gotta use the FDC part 1 and 2, no 3 to be the best that you can be in Calc AB. Part 1, use an integral from A to B. Draw the symbol and that's needed is the only way to be. Integral from A to B of f of x dx equals f of b minus f of a. It'll stay that way, no games, we slay. F prime x equals f of x. Like Duff Master Flex once said in text, just listen to me, it's not too complex. D dx from A to the x of f t dt is f of x. Do all of this and get a 5 on the exam. Listen up to KJ and his master plan.
Took the AP test, probably got a 5. Did my very best, never felt more alive. You see, Calc B was as easy as arriving. Can't believe how simple fact that how my grades are driving. Here I go with say just we're keeping it real. Making college board look like fools, that's a deal. Chain rule, product rule, unless the quotient rule. Remember all of that and you'll dominate the school. Oh, here we go, solid revolution. But that's no problem, cause I got the solution. Integrate, square the answer, multiply by pi. Now I got the volume and I'm out of here, bye.
Baby, that's a BC, they came into the game like that. Spinning rhymes and taking names and second names for people that rap. Baba D is teaching me that next level math. So listen up and pay attention, come and feel our wrath. BC was easy, Baba D made it for me. Kicking back in B&G, it's how it's gonna have to be. Cause now we off to college, except for young Chang. We go like the Mac came up, click, click, bang.
Now we doing integrals, who do I ain't talking magic? Lip it define you, now that cannot be too tragic. DV is left over, now it's time to do it up. UV minus VDU, integrate part 2, no doubt. Partial fractions, first factor nominator, make it 2 fractions, hence the name you hater. A and B over each, now it's time to calculate A and B's numerator, just don't wait. Once you have A and B, integrate alone. Probably gonna use LLN, something that's known. BC boys are in the zone, on the throne. Simple as that, y'all got shown.
The graph that used to be straightforward has now changed. The curves are crazy, disturbed and deranged. Each radius is found by inputting an angle. Rectangular to polar is the problem that we wrangle. R equals x squared plus y squared, yeah? Remember this in class so they think that you cared. X equals r cos theta, y equals r sine theta. Memorize these equations so that Barb don't have to educate ya. Cultivated curves were so good I could frame her. If Barb gave an A for art, I wouldn't blame her. I'm so skilled at calc, call me the polar controller. Your math's so immature, it should be put in a stroller. We put data into the calculator, finding r in terms of theta. Finish first, you finish later. I'm the alpha, you're the beta. Your math is weak and mine is greater. I'm on a mountain, you're in a crater. Terminate the beat and bring it back with a defibrillator.
Fade it up to BC, we came into the game like that. Spinning rhymes and taking names and second names to people that rap. Baba D is teaching me that next level math. So listen up and pay attention, come and feel our wrath. BC was easy, Baba D made it for me. Kicking back in B&G is how it's gonna have to be. Cause now we out to college, except for young Chang. We go like the Mac came up, click, click, bang.
Who knew that in calculus we'd still be adding numbers? When you were in arithmetic, I hope you didn't slumber. The sum of a list of terms is what we call a series. And what happens approaching infinity is more than just a theory. The first check you gotta try is the nth term test. If it doesn't approach 0, don't even bother with the rest. Geometric series, also known as GST. When r is greater than 1, it diverges to infinity. You know it's telescoping if the terms cancel out. Finding patterns in the series is what it's all about. Now you got your P series of 1 over n to the p. If p is ever less than 1, divergent it will be the ratio and test converse of that preceding term. If that limit's less than 1, you know convergence is confirmed. So now you know your series, you're probably thinking you are hot. We'll take you any day in calc and show you that you're not.
In this BC like nobody's biz. Spitting fire on that mic like a calculus whiz. Didn't study last night, thank God. Group quiz, math team get that 100 every time. Faux shiz for writing complex math. Yeah boy, we got those tailors. Buying series with addition like we being wholesalers. Talking about f naught, f prime, f to the n. Gotta find each value with your pencil or pen. Take the center at C and multiply it out. Raise it up to the n, don't have any doubt. Now you've got the top so you can say amen. Just don't forget to divide by factorial of n.
Yeah, that was the man Dirty P. Up next on the mic. This year we got the return to the big CK, the Canadian killer.
Now this is cause I'm talented and spitting method to the max, but about and dominating is just something they can do it like. Doing the magic, taking the ball from the bottom to the top like an integral like. Turning the beat to the skill and the rhyme is a normal life version of calculus life. Nah, I'm just saying stuff, we really live a quiet life. Just a bunch of white kids snapping words onto a beat. Just like I'll be taking that never mathematical attendant with a weapon. What does that really feel like? If you like, we're ready to repeat the fire that got us and winning the tournament like. Let us get down to the beat with this method, we put a quick in to get bottling wine. Let us get into the game with the greatness and then you be calling us shit with the line. Let us get on the beat and I can promise you that we gon' keep on destroying the rhyme. Let us go to the top of the world watches and soon enough they're gonna call us divine.
Yeah, we have been to Gents. Shout out to my man E. Fried for making this